Hi guys, it's your girl Carol back at it again. On Carol Suggest, we talk about perfect side hustles that you can do on your spare time with little to no money starting off. I do affiliate marketing and I'm also doing step by step, click by click examples on how to build your online business. So for today's episode, we're going to talk about Clickbank. Okay, Clickbank. Don't mind the baby noises in the back. I have my 5 month old and he just woke up from his nap and I'm in the middle of my video. So I'm just going to breeze through this real quick and then we'll get this done. Okay, bear with me. I'm so sorry. Um, so what is Clickbank? Clickbank is going to be your digital marketplace, okay? It's your digital Walmart. This is where you're going to find your products and services that you want to promote, right? As an affiliate marketer. Um, so before we dive right in, I'm just going to ask that you go ahead and give myself this channel a subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel so that we can make more content and interact with what else you would like to have me make a video of in terms of click by click, step by step videos. All right. So stick with me, give this video a thumbs up and drop some comments in the comment section below. I'll put some link down for Clickbank so that way you can have full access or instant access straight to it. All right, so let's dive right in. Clickbank, you're going to type in the search box clickbank.com. It'll bring you to this right here. Okay, this is the home page. You have a login and a sign up. We're going to sign up for the sake of this video so I can show you how to sign up and create your Clickbank account. All right, so you hit sign up again. Right here, it'll tell you it's 100% free. Okay, it's free to join. You are good to go. So this is one of the great things about the marketplaces that you'll find. It's completely free for Clickbank and it's cool to use. You have a ton of things that you can find on here as well. All right, for the country, there's a drop down button for the country. You can choose whatever country you're in. I'm choosing United States because I live in Alaska currently. And then you're just going to fill out the information right here. I don't know why it does that. 907 fo fo fo. Why does it do that? Sorry, bear with me. I don't know what's going on with that. Okay. All right, and then just fill out the information as is. And then a password, you just want to make sure that you're creating a password with two lowercase, two uppercase, two numbers, two special characters, 32 characters long, and no spaces. So it'll have like a green check mark if you're good to go in that subject. If not, then that means you're just missing something, okay? Just notice how when I start typing in, it'll tell you if those don't come up. Okay. All right, so like I said, it'll just give you all of the check. If it's red X, then that just means you're missing something from one of those lists that you need. If it's X, this will stay like grayed out, so you won't be able to move on until that's clear to go. When you're done with your password, you're then going to come to continue to terms and conditions. Hit that button. It's going to give you the client contract and you're just going to scroll to the bottom. Obviously, you want to read this. I encourage you to read this just because I want you to make sure that you know what you're getting yourself into or what the legalities is of Clickbank. Okay, and once you're done reading that, it'll get you to this bottom page right here. And it's at just accept the terms and conditions if you want to move forward. It'll then highlight this right here. It'll give this mark a check. I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. Then you're going to join Clickbank. Once you join Clickbank, it's going to get you to this page right here where it's going to ask you if you want an extra training on how to affiliate your sales. You can do that for $7 extra a month. For this video, we're just going to decline the offer and move forward. It's also going to ask you for if you want to join the free Facebook group. We're like challenging right now. I'm sorry about that. It's gonna ask you if you want to join the Facebook group. You can. It's just a better way for you also to get more insight on Clickbank through other websites and give you more ideas. For this video, I'm gonna say no thanks. Just send me to my account. All right. So attention, Clickbank vendors and affiliates. This is a suppression list and a list that you need to download in order to use. You just have to read. This is confidential information. You have to read through this, download the list, and it's gonna download automatically to your whatever device you're using. Okay, and once you hit download, you're good to go. And then I just hit the back button and it'll go straight back to Clickbank's home. Now notice that in here, this is it just you're just starting off, right? It doesn't have the drop downs right here, and then um it's only limited to this one right here. The before you even get the marketplace that's listed right here, you have to complete your profile. Okay, so this is the last step of it. You're going to complete your profile, just fill out the information that it asks you. If you want to change your password, obviously there's a button right here where you can change that. If you want a recovery email in there just so that you have a second backup, it's up to you to put the email, or if you don't want to, you don't have to use it as well. And then of course you're going to put your address in there. Give me just a moment while I fill that out. Okay, and then when you're done filling that out, of course, you have a preferred language. Scroll down and you have a preferred language that you can use, either English or all these other languages that you can choose from. All right, so it asks you, how would you like to be paid? This is going to be your tax information. That way it can link to your tax. So when you're doing your taxes, it links to you here. How you will find this information, of course, the name is going to be your name that you always put on your taxes. So mine is, of course, Carol Billick. I don't have a middle name. I'm unique. Just kidding. And then your tax ID is either going to be your social security number, so it's a 3-2-4 number, or it can be your EIN number. What is an EIN number? And it's an employee identification number that can be found on your W-2s from box letter B, I believe it is. It's going to have a 2 and then several numbers after that following. So it's either going to be your social security number or your EIN number, which is your employee identification number. So let me just go ahead and fill that out. At the bottom right here, you're also going to want to optimize your performance by saying that you want to promote products as an affiliate. Okay, so this is for beginners and brand new affiliate marketers. This is the option you'll choose. Of course, they have other options for anyone else who wants to do other than affiliating. And then of course your company's annual revenue is going to be 0 to 25,000 because you're a beginner, you're brand new, you're just signing up for it, so you have not made anything yet. And then the save button's right here. Let me just go ahead and close this out real quick so I can put this in, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I filled it out and then I hit the save button and I cleared it off just so I'm not putting my information out there. But as soon as you hit that save button, it'll then give you this pop up right here. Your profile has been updated successfully. So that means you're good to go. And as you can see on the side here, you have all of your drop downs, including affiliate marketplace. So that's how you sign up with Clickbank, and I hope that helped with you step by step. If there was anything you wanted to learn more about as well, again, drop it in the comments below. I want to know what I can help you guys out with, as well as if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you guys so much for being patient with me and the baby. Me and Aziel say hi, good night, and have a great day. Thank you again. Thank you. Thank you.